Hello everyone. My name is Priyesh Kumar. I am an assistant professor in JBIT. So today I will discuss a continuous miner, working and its specification and how is it work in mining in underground. Okay. So basically this is the machine which cut the coal directly from the underground. Nowadays it is using in India and worldwide, and it has some good ability to cut the coal, mainly in India as per Indian coal seams. Next. Okay. So in this regard, we will discuss an introduction, components, and working of CM, working condition, and safety features. Okay. So in introduction, we have we will try to know the specification and some what is the continuous miner so continuous miner is the machinery, as I said, it which cut the coal directly from the coal seam, and it's transport on the surface with the help of other transportation machine. Continuous miner is a package of some machinery like coal cutting machine, coal hauling machine, coal lumping and packing, like face supporting machine. Okay. Next. So this machine has also a large rotating steel drum which is made of tungsten steel, which cut the coal, and coal transported through the gathering arms, and then it's convert into other transportation machine. Okay, so it has a 6 to 9 meters long, which is long boom length. The weight of the machine is approximately 58 tons, and they run by the electric power. So as we can say, it is also safe in underground. So there is no chance of fire because it is use electric power. Okay. So main parts of the continuous miner is a cutter, gathering arms, conveyor, traction. And traction is the transportation helping parts, and dust controller. In underground there is so much problem with dust controller, which creates the fire damp in underground, electric circuit, and coil chain. So this is the whole figure of a continuous miner, and components are showing like drum, cutting machine. These are the peaks of the continuous miners. Here you can see the gathering arms, and these are the hydraulic power cylinder which support during the cutting of the coal in underground. Okay. So here we can see how is it work, and this is the actual figure of continuous miner which is working in underground. Okay. So one thing is major thing is in this with this machine, this is the remote control machine. There is no need of manual working. So any skilled person, they can operate this machine. Specification means here we will see the loading at what percent, like loading 15 to 27 ton per minute. It has the loading capacity, and the machine weight, as I told you, and ground pressure, it's push on the ground at the pressure of 184 kilo per Pascal. Ground clearance is 305 millimeter, and cooling through the expression phase. Okay. This is cutter system. Okay, cutting height from the ground to 2160 millimeter to 4600 meter. Like cutting width means gallery width. It's depend on the gallery width. So as per the DGMS norms, so it's allowed the cutting width is 3 meter. So cutting drum diameter is approx 1 meter, and drum speed is 50 rotation per minute. Okay. Now conveyor specification. So conveyor specification, conveyor speed is approx 2.5 millimeter per second. Conveyor chain width is approx 82 millimeter, and conveyor width we can see here 7 meter approx. So working condition, main is working condition. Where this machine is suitable, so seam thickness should be 1.8 to 5 meters.